Today we're making a quick 3-ingredient bratwurst appetizer. Hey everybody, we're the Whisko Wheeler YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our next adventure. You'll need bratwurst, jalapenos, and cream cheese. Preheat your oven to 375. Cut the skin off of the bratwurst and divide it into 4 sections. If you want to make them either larger or smaller, you can do that as well too. After that, I go ahead and roll them into balls. I like to use parchment paper and put that right onto a baking sheet and make a depression where I will later be adding a filling. Next, before the filling goes in, they bake for 25 minutes. I cut my cream cheese into small pieces that can be added into the depression once they're baked. Here I've added the cream cheese and now I'm putting the jalapenos on top. Back again into the oven for another 10 minutes. After that, they're done. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do.